and he's got it! He's put one on him up the hill. I didn't think it was possible.
This kid is dynamite.
Mark Scaife and Craig Lowndes, this victory will make them Bathurst immortals. Craig Lowndes drives into the history books. His 90th career win.
Let me fill you in how this all come about. It's one of my proudest moments to work very hard with the engineers and designers to come up with one of the best high-performance Holden cars out there. Under this hood, it's all red line running gear, the highest performance that Holden produce. Now, every one of these cars are going to be individually numbered, and this is the plaque that you'll see on this strut tower.
For me, look, it's a dream come true. To be able to work with the guys within Holden's design group, the engineering group, and now to finally drive the car and feel the beauty of what's been created.
The sporty interior trim is finished with the introduction of paddle shifts, allowing a faster and easy gear change with a Triptronic Active Selective to really dial up the sporty personality of this car. Look out, the heads-up display has been configured to show the level of G-forces applied when you're cornering as well as the speed, clearly and directly.
You can feel steering's quite positive, it's smooth, it's quiet, but then when you do get up it, it's got a bit of a bark and a roar.